got a nigga, real bitch, fuck, got a nigga, real bitch, give a fuck, got a nigga, real bitch, fuck, got a nigga, fuck, got a fuck, got a nigga, fuck, got a. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I pluck my lace frontal, but before I start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified, leave all your comments down below, like and share this video. But without further ado, let's just start this video. Okay, so as you can see right now, the hairline is looking too boxy. It's looking too full. It's just not acceptable. So we're going to go ahead and pluck all of that out. Now, before I started anything else, before I did any sort of plucking, what I did was make sure to mold the hair with some moves just to get all the baby hairs laid flat backwards or towards the wig. And then now I am just going in and I'm just parting out a little bit at the front part, and then I am going to start plucking behind the hairline. I also pluck the hairline, but I normally start with behind the hairline, and then, you know, after plucking it out, you guys will see. I'm not really going to explain. I'm not going to jump ahead of myself. I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video for yourself. So right now all I'm doing is just parting out the front part and kind of mold it away from the hairline so I can pluck behind the hairline. So that's all I'm doing right here. So now that the hair is out the way, I am going to start the plucking. Now this is how you wanna hold your tweezer. Like, you wanna make sure the part that's pointing downwards is facing downwards when you're plucking. So you wanna make sure it's on the flat surface when you're plucking. You don't wanna pluck with the pointy part, because then when it's pointy, it can rip your lace and it leave holes and stuff in your lace. So just try to pluck it on the angled surface of the tweezer. And right now I'm just showing you guys the exact speed that I go in when I am plucking the hair. I don't go any faster. This is exactly how I do it. And I also try to not stay in one spot. I like plucking, like if I'm plucking this side, I like going across while I'm plucking, going back and forth, but I do not stay in one spot while I'm plucking. So right now I'm just going to let you guys see how I'm plucking. I won't speed it up. I will leave it at the same speed so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so I know I said I was not going to speed up the video, but just for the timing, and I don't want it to be too drawn out, and it is pretty much repetitive. I'm still doing the same thing over again. I will just speed this up a little bit until I get to, when I'm plucking the hairline itself. So now that I'm just doing behind the hairline, I'll just speed up a little bit, not a lot, but yeah, I will let you guys continue watching the video. Okay, so now that that side is done, I'm just going to show you guys how the next part is looking. So that's the part that's unplucked, and this is the part that's plucked. And that's how you want your lace front to be looking, not like the right side that is not plucked as it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pluck that side, and then when I get to in front of the hairline, I will show you guys, you know, I will slow it down a bit for you guys to see exactly what's happening. Okay, so now for the hairline. What I do is pretty much, you know, brush the hair backwards, because if it's not brushed backwards, you can't pluck it. But yeah, I'm just brushing it backwards, and then I'm going to be going in with my tweezer, and I'm going to be doing the same motion, you know, not plucking it in one spot, kind of moving as I pluck. Also on the angled part of the tweezer. So right now I'm just working on getting the hair all flat and laid down, and then I'll come back when I start the plucking. I'm just going to be using the mousse to flatten the hair to make sure all the baby hairs are laid back, and then I will start the plucking with the tweezer. And now that all the hairs are laid back, now I'm just going in and I'm just plucking the hairline, and that is the exact speed that I go in when I'm plucking it. I make sure to flatten the hair because I want the hair to be flat at all times, because you know you want to see how it will look when it's installed, and you know, flat iron, and when you use your hot comb and everything on it, you want to flatten it. That's the only way you know how exactly it will look when it's installed on the head. So that's why I'm always like using my fingers to kind of lay the hair down, and then I pluck. Lay the hair down, then I pluck. You know, almost like brushing it away, the excess or the ones that I plucked out, and then you know, plucking from side to side. I don't pluck in one spot. I kind of go across, like I've said multiple times. Do not pluck in one spot. Kind of just pluck all over. Not really all over, but just not in one spot. So you want to take your time and move along the hairline as you're plucking it. And you don't need to speed it up, because honestly, guys, if you're not a professional, it's not gonna, like, some part is gonna be plucked too much, and then if it's too much, then if too much is plucked out, then you won't, like, you can't glue the hair back in, you know what I'm saying? So it's better to just take your time and do it. don't do it when you're in a rush and when you don't have time. Like, take your little time and pluck back and forth, pluck back and forth. And as you can see, like, the big difference with that side and right beside it that's not yet plucked, it's already looking natural. Now, the only thing that I hated with this frontal, it was just because I realized that I didn't leave the bleach on the knots too long, or not too long, but I didn't leave the bleach on the knots long enough for it to be bleached more. It needed to be bleached a little bit more. I did go in and bleach it afterwards, but for this video, for the video's sake, because I was just like, you know what, it's just a plucking that I'm really showing you guys, I didn't really too care, because it's still, you know, it's still plucked. It was just like it needed to be bleached a little bit more, and I did do it before shipping it out to my client. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video as I demolish this hairline, okay? So now that the plucking is all done, now what I will be doing is just molding the hairline a little bit more so it's flat and ready to install when the client gets it. So now I am just using the mousse to flatten it, mold it more, and then my brush, and then I went in with my hot comb to, you know, flatten the hair a little bit more. Your hot comb is literally your best friend, guys. Like, you guys need a hot comb if you don't have one. Like, this is what I use to get my wig so flat. For all those who have been asking me how I get my wig so flat, hot comb, the best thing since sliced bread, literally. But yeah, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post. Like, comment, and share this video. I think I showed you guys the ending results after I finished, like, you know, flat using the hot comb or whatever. I think I showed you guys the ending results. So yeah, I'll just let you guys watch this and then you'll see the ending result. But yeah, thank you guys again, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
You got it, girl. You got it. Hey, yo, Smalls, turn up, bro. You got a package, now you follow.